So I know that 2020 was one hell of a year, and at the moment 2021 is kinda shaping up to be much of the same, unfortunately. So that is where this comes in handy. This is the Tiny Party Club box from Sugar and Sloth. It's exactly what it says in the tin. It's a teeny tiny little party inside of a box just to make you smile. So grab a cup of tea and let's get inside. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I'm excited to open up this little tiny party because I don't know what the theme is, okay? Now, Sugar and Sloth are an adorable company that make adorable things. They do clothing, they do colouring books, they do stuff for adults and stuff for kids. And every month they have a Tiny Party Club box, and I haven't got anything to open it with. The closest thing I can find is a pair of snippers. So we're going in with this. Basically, inside of this box are just some tiny little treats just to make you smile and to help you have a better day than you were already having. And I think it's safe to say right now we kind of need to have this kind of vibe. So if I can get in there. There we go. I will leave I'll leave a discount code in the description box below so you can go ahead and sign up to the Tiny Party Club box if you want to have a little bit of joy drop into your door every single month. Now, let's have a little feel. Ooh, okay. I'm feeling so, oh, I think we've got tape. I think we have washi tape. Is this washi tape? Oh my God. This is adorable. Okay, look. Focus. Look at this. I was just saying to myself that I need to get some more washi tape because I've actually run out of the washi tape that I had. Oh my God, that is so cute. That is so cute. That is adorable. See, it's worked already. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take much to make me happy, to be fair. Let me just crack open the tissue paper. There we go. Okay. What are you? I think you are the enamel pin. We'll save you for last. You are the little leaflet that tells me what's in here. So let's not look at you. And let's have a little feel. I'm feeling a sticker. Is this a vinyl sticker? Majestically awkward. This is me. I can be quite awkward at times, and I like to think that I'm majestic when I'm being so. Oh my gosh, I love that, and I will put these in resin at some point. I will, I promise I will. Okay, I know I always say it every month, but your girl is busy, okay? I don't often get a lot of time to just do things that I just fancy doing just because, you know what I mean? Right, I think this might be a postcard. Yes, it is. When I'm anxious, I do my power pose. My power is napping. Yes. All of this. This is just like the whole vibe of 2020 and what we're currently going through right now. In case you didn't know, at the moment, the UK is in its third official national lockdown. So yeah, we are all stuck inside and going to sleep, okay? We're just trying to get through the day. Speaking of which, actually, if you're liking this hoodie, if all you did today is get through it, then that's okay. This is such a true statement, especially for right now. I will leave a link and a discount code for you in the description box below as well. This is courtesy of Unstigma Shop. I really do like their apparel, and this just seemed very fitting, not just for today, but just for this whole sort of Sugar and Sloth vibe. They're very much about this same kind of message. Like a lot of the stuff what they have on there is all to do with like helping to calm your anxiety and, you know, just sort of making you feel like it's okay to feel all the things. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's why I chose to wear this hoodie today. Right. What are you? Oh, okay, so we have like a little calendar, but it's one for whatever month that you choose. That's really interesting. I've not seen one like that before. I kind of want to like cut this off and make it into something. I don't know, because I already have a Sugar and Sloth calendar from last month, so I kind of want to repurpose this because I love all these characters. They're just so adorable. Give me some ideas in the comments, please, Shasha Squad. Let me know what you think. What can I use this for? I'm pretty sure someone's going to say bookmark, but I don't really read many books. I have a friend who does. Lucy, I'm looking at you, your bookworm. She got through about 7 books in as many days. She's crazy. Okay. Oh, what's this? What's this? Home is where the snacks are. Look at this little patch. I like that. I can put that on my black denim jacket. That would be perfect. That's adorable. We don't normally get a patch. Yeah, that would look really nice on my black jacket. Thank you. Surely we're on like the last thing now. This is the pin. Is there anything else inside? No, apart from little bits of confetti that I will save and throw in the air later because we like to have a tiny party. Now, let's see. What is the pin? Oh, bit of confetti there. What is the pin of the month? Da 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 da. Oh! It's this one. It's the same one that's on the sticker, the majestically awkward one. I love it. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Would you guys like to see me decorate my denim jacket with all my pins and badges? Would you like to see that as a video? Maybe as like a little live stream? I quite like to do some more live streaming this year, seeing as I'm going to be in the house quite a lot. So let me know, because I know I keep saying I'm going to put all my pins on my denim jacket, but now that I've actually like, you know, put it out there and asked you if you want to see this as a video, it will kind of push me to do it more. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a decorate my jacket with me video or pin my jacket with me. I'll think of a snazzy title or something, you know what I mean. Let me know, because I think that would be really cool. It'd be nice to sort of do it together with you actually, so let me know. I love this. So the theme is enchanted badgers and pals. They're so cute. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And yeah, so it's got here, hi Bessie, thank you so much for making Tiny Party Club possible. I hope you love this box. I always love this box. Inside you'll find a vinyl sticker, sew-on patch, postcard, calendar, washi tape, and of course your enamel pin. That's fabulous. So as I said before, check my discount code below so that you can go ahead and subscribe to the Tiny Party Club box at a discounted rate. You're very welcome. You already know, honey, if I'm getting hooked up, I will do my very best to make sure that you're getting hooked up as well, okay? Oh, let me know what your favorite item is. I think mine might be, oh my goodness, it's a toss-up between the washi tape and maybe this patch, just because it's different. I'm not used to us having patches. So, because like these two are just so cute. That washi tape, do you know what? No, it's the washi tape. It's the washi tape. It's so cute. I love it. I absolutely love that. Let me know what your favorite item is in the comments section below. I would love to know. Right, all that's left to do now is to throw the confetti up in the air to end our tiny little party in 3, 2, 1. Yay! I am too excited over the littlest of things, honestly. If you enjoyed this video and if it made you smile even just a little bit, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.